Sufferer, Dr. Feldman says you'll have to stick to over-the-counter medicine.
We have severe suffering going on here as well, and it is across southeastern New Mexico. Lincoln and Chaves counties now under severe thunderstorm warnings. The area in red here is actually across southwestern portions of Eddy County, where we have a flood warning now for the Guadalupes, and we also have up into Union County. There is a warning there for severe thunderstorm warning. So again, 6:15 for Chaves County and over into Lincoln County, and that flood warning until 9:30 for areas of the Guadalupe Mountains across the southern portions of the state down into Texas as well. Now, as far as what we're dealing with here storm-wise, we're starting to see a pretty good expansion in some of these storms. There's that one severe storm in Union County now skirting its way out of the county, but we have some strong storms just south of Roy at this point, and these stretch all the way down through San Miguel County and over into areas of east central parts of the state here, where most of these storms have wind gusts up to about 40 miles an hour and some hail up to the size in some cases of quarters, especially as you get out into Lincoln and over into Chaves counties. It's these couple of cells that are a big concern, one right here and then the other right here. So we do have to watch these pretty carefully. But the good news is throughout much of today, we have not seen widespread severe weather. And that's actually a benefit for us. 50s, 60s, and 70s across the north, down to the south. Temperatures for the most part in the 70s for us as well. Looking at satellite and radar, this is a textbook example of what you call the dry line. We have moisture across eastern New Mexico, but as we go farther to the west, you get all dry air. So essentially, all across the east, we're at least getting the chance of storms out there. Some of these, again, going severe. Otherwise, we're getting some pretty strong storms. And the east is going to stay fairly wet over the next 24 hours. Definitely still going to be the favored area, thanks to that moisture and a little weather disturbance kicking across. Relatively dry still across central and western sections for tomorrow. Slight chance of a shower, but most of the storms will stay to the east, and even what we see to the east won't be as big time as it is today. But let's check out the storm track here and show you what shakes down here over the next few days. As we get into tomorrow, you'll see still a few more storms across the east, maybe a storm or two out to the west, not a real big deal. But watch Friday. The expansion of the rain across the state looks significant at this point, and you can see just about everybody has got a shot at some rain. So let's start with your storm report here and show you what's going to happen. Right now, the storm that's going to come in that's going to help to cause this is over the Pacific, and then another piece, a cold front coming across the east and the northeast will help as well. It's going to be Friday afternoon through at least Saturday morning. Heavy rain will be possible, a statewide threat for that, and some isolated flooding. Bust potential right now 40%. And the only reason it's that high is because you have to sync up that area of low pressure and that cold front. But still, it's looking more and more like this could be a bit of a mess for us and a bad start to the weekend, but a nice finish as we head throughout the next 7 days or so. Temperatures for the most part in the Four Corners going to be in the 70s tomorrow. Plenty of sunshine, but you can see the increasing chances of showers by Friday into Saturday. Meanwhile, across the southwest, quiet for tomorrow. Lots of sunshine. 71 Silver City, 78 Deming, and 78 in Las Cruces. Meanwhile, across the south and east, temperatures here going to be in the 70s. Mostly cloudy at times with some scattered storms. Maybe not quite as many as today, but we'll have a pretty good shot at showers. And then the chance of showers continues well into the weekend. Across the northeast, temperatures here for tomorrow going to be in the 60s and 70s. Partly cloudy skies. Could see an occasional shower, just not as much as what we're seeing for today. Northern mountains, good chance at storms by Friday, but for tomorrow, just kind of hit and miss stuff out there. But Santa Fe looking at a very good shot at rain both Friday and early Saturday as well. East mountains, spot shower possible for tomorrow. Better chances by Friday. Temperatures in the 60s and 70s. And here in the metro area, we could see a stray shower tomorrow, but I don't think it's going to be widespread. What we're going to need to watch is Friday night into Saturday morning here in the metro area. And Jessica, one of the biggest concerns, rain on top of snow in the mountains. Could see some flooding.
Wow. All right. Thank you, Mark. Sports is next.
A tough prosecutor. She fights for